So zangihlaba i-first lokho njani first week vele bezichintshisana ngami iviki lonke because bekuhlatshwa mina bekuyimo sanda ngena and bengibhayisa vele bengangatholi le uncle lami zangihlaba mara zingconywana lezi mina ngisantshela namanje lezi bezilifaka lingekho dry sezikhafulelile zingcoyizi zingathi zinanjanyana
manje zilikhafulela phambi kwakho ubhekile
yize zingathi zinanjanyana
zimnandi
hayi ukuthi kumnandi kakhulu ndoda obviously yendi ugcina ujwayele ezinye izinto phela nekhabishi ungagcina ulizwa ngathi limnandi mawungalidla iviki lonke so le ideas bese ngithola njalo phela phoyisa ngisitshela abasebenzi amaphoyisa mhlambe la ipolice station eduzane uyasitshela azisebenzi leza la
most of the time we tell ourselves the cops are not begging until bafuna
like why you weakness yenu ukuthi uzoba soft bazokubona ngathi you are caring person kahle ufuna ukuba le insizwa
kahle kubeka ngaba bengiyibaze igcilo kuthi uzosabeka futhi uma ufika nani namango ebekuneyibazi lapha ngibona sibayini kuvunywa ingoma ende manje unyathelile umuntu ngemistake uvela umkhome mfethu uzobayibiza khona bazoshaya akubiza ucile eroundini mfethu niyashayana zinishayelani awazi naye ngeke unqaba ukushaya uyosukuma ushaya like ukulwa bekuyinto vele enzeka noma kunini.
Yeah, you're saying a snake and a cat can become friends if they grow up in the same yard.
Yeah, Genze.
My friend, that was shy this lace. But right, color pants lace, showing a packet donkey.
But what like black people self and
it's in number resources. It's not like you can't say black people don't have resources. How come our resources mara we are was gonna go parliament in connection? Which resources do you want? Because now every resource you have.
So for black people, being poor is a choice.
Yini manje ndoda ukulala ngathi ushonile kanti awushonanga bese uvuka after
ulala ngathi dead pretend
ukulala manje isikhathi eside
faint
coma
hayi mfana leli
oversleep
iba uwe mfana unga copy style somunye umuntu iba uwe wenze okujabulisa wena cause if siphila esikhathini esinani man nazi siphila esikhathini esinani noma kanjani but umuntu awe uwe man enze into ezojabulisa yena. Yeah guys, ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe ni like benzeni futhi.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Infinity Talks. I am Derek Benner, and there, on the other side of the sofa, you know what it is, it's Infinity. You know what they say, man, it's not just a podcast.
It's a movie. So as you guys can tell, today we've got another exciting guest. Usihle Nhlapo. Can you please introduce yourself, Paul?
Mfethu mina ngisazi isingisi. Igama Usihle Nhlapo mfethu ngiyatholakala TikTok yonke indawo nje la ngizongifuna khona ngiyatholakala
yeah. Nah, that's cool, bro. So today we have you here to cover like certain topics about like impilo yasejele, how you grew up, family background, history, like a little bit about yourself, like in general talk, ne? Yeah, awusazi mara uyasizwa ngisho.
Sho ngiyasizwa manje lesingisi inkinga ngiselise olimini madoda.
Yeah. So nje msayicala kahle la ile izwi utshela abantu ukuthi kahle Usihle ubani.
Usihle umfananyana nje. Ngisazi umfananyana nje but ngangumfananyana nje.
Yeah.
Umfana nje ngikhulele emakhaya futhi KZN. Then ngasuka cause kwa igriza lava KZN. So ngazohlala la eLokujane eGauteng vele.
Yeah.
So mangifika la eGauteng ngiyasibeka iCochrane ke. simo sendlini besingekho grand, so ngagcina sengithola sengenza into ebhedayo. Because nabantu bengikhula nabo akhona nabantu abagangayo futhi bezihluphe phakathi lezi. Abo speaker abo scroof. Izinja ngale khona izinja ngazi izinja ngale mashona. So sagcina siganga futhi sagaxela. Yeah, but bekuthafu nje.
Sakacela, inokacela.
Sakacela.
Lamazulu lawo uyafika la. Lamazulu lawo uyafika la tanga. Ashaya lamakhasi.
Awafika abashaya isizulu esideep place indoda nathi asanje.
I want to say moment of silence.
Sesimame. Yeah, manje ayamsitshele like wena ukhule kanjani, ukhuliswa ubani yabo?
Ngikhuliswa umagogo okay.
Yeah.
Ngeke ngithi magogo usisi kaMagogo. Because the then bengihlala nosisi kaMagogo. Umunye uMagogo bekahlala la vele eGauteng.
Yeah.
So yeah, ngikhule ngomfana olusayo mfethu. Bengilusa ngimncane.
Ulusa inkomo?
Yeah bro.
Yo, what did you learn like ufundeni lapho?
Ngifundeni but
akumele sila
esikoleni lapho. Akusiskole.
Mara like angeke uyithi into one like for like certainly more than years uyenza the same thing without knowing how long are you doing it for?
2 years maybe.
2 years.
Yeah.
Bona ngani ngalesikhathi lesi?
Bengimncane bro. 6 7. Cause ngaqale ngalusa inkomo lezi ezincane like amankonyana.
Yeah.
Bengikhipha zona vele chartini. Ngihambe nazo benginokuhamba ngiyi-1 sometimes ngihambe nabanye abafowethu. So yeah.
Manje awufundanga nix like from 6 years till.
Ndo inkomo ugcina ukhuluma nazo.
Kuli language.
Baba kama lesithi inkomo ujamluthi yabona manje. Ujamluthi inkomo ugcina ukhuluma nazo futhi. Inkomo ziyalalela manje.
Uzinika amagama.
Yeah, uyaporeka lapho uyani. Network ehlathini. Ela ubusiness fonda.
Yeah.
Uyaporeka uyani ehlathini langa lonke ibheke nayo into le. Mawungazingi mawabambi phela lapha kunenyoni zakhona ehlathini esisidlana.
Yeah.
Siyazi mabona inyoni nje uyazi lunch lento scout.
Iscout kanjani ngenkomo?
Mahamba nenkomo kumele ube nekatili 1 for ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi inyoka mfethu uyazi ikatili yakwazi ngithukulisana nenyoka then kumele ube nezinja for ukhanza. So obvious mawuphethe lezo zinto lezo mawuqala ubona mhlambe let's say ubona unogwaja I understand no.
Yeah.
Mara.
Akubize nesikanjani. Yeah, mawubona unogwaja sure. Uthumela izinja ibana nogwaja ndihlezi uphethe itosi. Bengitsho nje 6 kan ngihlezi bengaphuphi bengayi kwelusa ngaphetha ngi6 kan.
Ngispice 6 kan.
Yeah, ndo usha inyama yakho ibe grand.
Oh, inyoni ufaka 6 kan kunyoni.
Nyoni yonke into baba. Ndedle kawe akishuyile ndo. That's why most days amazulu lesande inyama ngisho kuyase zikhulu izidla inyama lesithini. Ehlathini akunapapa upheka nini papa?
Yeah.
Uyalusa endlini ukuyela mhlambe ngabo ma 5 6.
Yeah.
So obvious manje 6 kan yakho mawubambile nokwaja wakho amhlinza kahle vele uphethe itosi.
Yeah.
Uyashaya umlilonyana laphana ziyasha fisi.
But you realize like ukuthi like you learned something because me personally I've never been like ngalusa and stuff. I didn't know ukuthi kumele uhambe nekati.
Like dog
like a cat. I understand
maybe
you
dogs
might come across like snakes.
Yeah, maybe
but,
dogs. Yeah,
I was always wondering with like mohlangana ne snake like what do you do?
Ndabani ngikhuleni ama conflicts.
Yabo?
Ndabani ngikhuleni ama conflicts. So yeah, into nje angene understand. Lapha na vele ube nenduku yakho mhlambe ukuthi mawuvela something ukwazi ukuyishaya because ezinye zinokuvela uyishayinga something vele. Ukuthi so la mfetha lapha iyashuka.
Yeah, but then when as a man like ufundani, what do you learn as a man at that point we won esigangeni ulambili uwe nekati like ikati hamba nenja
izikhula zonke phela lezi zinto.
Oh ziyajwayelana
izinja sesichartini azidli inkukhu sesichartini.
Yeah,
like izikhula angazi ngathi ungayifuya inja ufuya inkukhu but leyo nja leyo mayifika enkukhwini zangale let's say ziyasuka la kwanhlapho ziyamkhize
Yeah.
zofike zidla inkukhu zakamkhize le so mazikhulelana vele zijwayele
Oh. Makes sense, ne?
Yeah, it's like
So you're saying, you're saying, when are you saying a snake and a cat can become friends if they grow up in the same yard?
yeah kenzeka
Ah!
kenzeka phela not stairs but
yeah. I think cats you they are better that. I think example right. Mara ikat ninja that I've seen it happen. Yeah,
Yeah, now I've seen dogs friends with cats.
yeah, and I understand though because like tangay makat ang kunis dispatch or like kunis the information ito pala pa it's not even like information ito pa scared like literally it's survival.
Yeah, that's why I'm like,
You
what, when
survive.
as a
Yeah.
man, like, like you gain knowledge of how to look after yourself, like
yeah ukuba fearless ukubhekana nezimo enzima
Yeah.
because lapho ubhekana nenyoka yebo
So you've been through that situation.
yeah
What happened?
phela uyishaya ekhanda phela uyishaya
Mshangani.
ngaleyo nduku ozobuyiphethe
Yeah.
kumele uyishaye usize le kati ukuthi lokhu njani because inja ngeke zilwe nenyoka obvious inja bazoyithimisela ngoshevu if so obvious mawuphethe ikati liyakwazi ukubhekana nalento leyo and nawe not like uyalibukela kumele uyincedise
Yeah.
uyayishaya
Life obstacles.
Yeah, boy.
Kenzakala lapha emakhaya.
Manje la ngikufundisa ukuba fearless.
yeah fearless
Ukuthi
that's why
nawe.
ngifike ngaganga nala bengingasabluso vele
Yeah.
So mengibuya emakhaya nisabona inyoka nisabona izinto la.
sibona nina phela
Sibona nina. So tell me Situ. Like a transition obvious ubuya emakhaya nani and then ufike la mona ngaki.
ngifike lana I guess I was doing grade 4 or something 4 or 5
And so mufika lana vele from emakhaya. Ayingqondo leyo man. Ukuchinja. Uyichinja kanjani ukuthi ayazi imali
kunzima ukuchinja
Yeah.
futhi mangifika lana because mangifika lana ngafuna uku-adapta ngibeka ngendlela right uku-adapta isimo sangapha like ngibe imember yangapha nami vele because ilanguage nikhuluma la nami singayikhuluma ilanguage esikhuluma la ayifani yale mawusuka le ufika la sharp abantu bangakubona uthini umZulu whatever but wena indoda ufika ngathi ibhar ukhuluma like indlela wenza ngayo izinto njengeshawe hayi ishawe zilapha emakhaya
Party.
Kiki.
ndo lona semfuleni fethu
Oh, mama ishawa imfundo yamusi.
but mawufika lapha ethi kuneshawa uyakhona la kucofa khona sekuphuma amanzi uyabona imvula seyinendlini njani
Oh kanti lezi zinto lezi kahle bezikuchallenge lezi ukuthi kumele utshintshe kanjalo kahle kahle.
kumele ngazama ngajwayela ngagcina ngijwayela vele
Yeah.
So manje ngabuyela emakhaya manje ngasho ukuthi ayazini sengijwayele manje ngaphila impilo ezithu or lapha emakhaya mucabanga ungaya lapha still.
Awusafuni ubuyela.
hayi emakhaya ngizobuyela fethu once ngasebenza into zami zihamba nje sengikhishiwe laphana into zami engahamba kahle vele ngizobuyela khona ngiyohlala khona vele straight
Yeah.
because impilo yangale ingaba nzima but i-peaceful than yangapha
Ngapha kunama challenge kanjani la wayenza ukuthi uthi akukho peaceful.
mani ngapha angazi ngizothini i-competition ibhaye ningi competition la
Competition yani.
yonke into man azi
Segoli la.
Like you can't be competing ungazi compete ngani.
hayi emakhaya ungavela negushi yakho ndoda yi-200
Yeah, ube right.
ngiyeva kubani banama-iphone masozeskena ngani
Ngathi ngeke ushiye 200.
Awona iPhone noskena ngani.
hayi emakhaya
Ilutho wena mufika emakhaya mama kubona ngathi siwe nguweni kahle kahle.
hayi mawufika ngale fethu bakubona njengoba siphila la babona ngathi angazi kanjani sinemali or something ile mawufika lapha vele kumele wenze sure ukuthi isokuyile nto le ndlela bakubona ngayo vele amelanga uyibhayizisa
Yeah.
kumele yeah
Mawufika kumele vele if they ask you, hey, please buy me bread, you know, you're saying.
bese awole sinko basenza ijartini sinko lapha ndoda bakushayisa isinko lapha futhi mina ngibona ukuthi umfukolo mfana ehlala eSharpton emini like
Oh yeah,
most boys basuke bengekho eSharpton unless ba busy nga something bayasebenza basengadini bayalima bayatshala into enjalo.
Kahle kuseni yaphuma ukuyalima.
Yeah, uyaphuma ukubona netask yakhe.
But when like right now, since you've experienced like both sides of life, which life do you think it's good to grow up in environment sharp for a young kid?
Hey, angifuni umuntu asuke ngale makhaya adome ezela azela adome because umuntu mele akhulele lana man. No, I understand bese ngizothini. But ngapha ku best ukuthi akhule. And masofuna ipeace ungaya ke ekhaya.
No, I understand because sometimes if it's nescale. Iskela sasemakhana neskela sala eGoli azifani.
Yeah.
Ngifila ngathi the way bafundisa ngakhona also iyachange. And so umntana mega like maybe grade 10 and then umntana ushaye grade 10 emakhaya ngeke bafana due to lama subjects bawashaya vele.
Yeah, inkinga ama subjects but ukuthi bayafa because indlela umuntu kuya ngento indlela ufunda ngayo. Usangafunda emakhaya ngifundela eGoli. Ngingafundi la eGoli ku public school ngifunde ku private school. But lethi sisiya ku university 1. Lokho emakhaya afika ngishaye phansi. Aphasa ukuvela mina. So nje kuya ngendlela umuntu ayiyo man. Angazi ngizothini.
Yeah, uthi le umuntu kwazi ukadapta kanjani to ama environment amasha.
Yeah.
Oh, like ubuya kuphi emakhaya like straight deep.
Ngumulundi phezulu.
Ulundi. KZN.
Yeah.
I've heard the name, you know.
That's next ngikezela.
I've heard the name Ulundi like.
Kwilo.
Ukapi. Yeah. So Jaya Mauschele. So we see arriving eGoli now, ne? You are Sipo, you are Sihle, ne? We are entering grade 4 or 5, primary. What challenges like do you come across like as a young kid? Like what do you want to be at that time? Like
Fethu ngifuna ukufitha ini.
Number 1.
Yeah, first.
Ngifuna ukufitha ini, ngifuna ukufana nabo bonke abanye abantwana. Abantwana bakhuluma bo excel wodla ngiyazela lapha la leyo nto.
Kanti khuluma kanjani le KZN?
Sawubona bro.
Thiwane? Shempem.
Yevani.
Excel. Mawufika la
excel phezulu. And ngikhula ngibukela izitori zase TV cause iTV benokulayita lapha.
Yeah.
Mangifika la ngitshela ukuthi kuba nzima mina because mawubuka iTV uyitshela ukuthi inkunzi bakubambe mini. Lo bicycle. Ngitshela ngiyakutshela ubona bakubambe inkunzi emini. Siyabyazi
Cosmo.
Bona boKosmo abashomfana banqaphashi. Uzalo uqaphashi.
Yeah.
Kuna kuyabulalwana eGoli.
Yeah.
That you tell literally is maratanga la ku Jerusalem.
Yayibona manje ubona kahle.
That you tell Joe.
Yeah.
So like ichinja kanjani literally like for abantu basemakhaya. Ushiye bana bamakhaya kahle. Ushiye ugogo.
Gogo washona.
Washona. And then lapha emakhaya khona bani manje?
Kuno auntie nomalume.
And then last time ubavakashela
Bengile manje.
Yeah.
Ngasikanje ukubali.
And then mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kahle ngoba maye usihle sika adaptini. Sika umuntu aseGoli kahle. Nale uqoka ngakhona bayabona udala umfana lo waye sika soft. And then
So baya this spaghetti. Softy.
Akwenze
abazwila avumu basoft. Why veli like why iku weakness yini ukuthi uzoba softy bazokubona ngathi you are caring person kahle wena ufuna ukuba le insizwa
Kahle kubeka ngabe bengiyibazi iculu. Kuthi uzosabeka futhi uma ufika nani namango ebengineyibazi lapha ngibona ngathi.
Yeah, mara iqiniso.
So lapha nasikhuluma ni ukushaya into eyenzeka noma kunini. Because kunokuthi sihleli sibaleni lethe someone ungisukelile ekseni wangigqoka mhlawumbe ngephutha wanginyathela ngephutha sesibayeni kuvunywa ingoma
yeah
ende manje ukunyathelile umuntu ngemistake uvela umkhome mfethu uzobayibiza kukhona abazoshaya akubiza ucile roundini mfethu niyashayana nazi nishayanelani awazi naye ngeke unqaba ukushaya uyosukuma ushaya like ukulwa bekuyinto vele enzeka noma kunini yeah
so that's why I feel it
ngala ubuyi solution yayo nkinto mfethu umuntu medakela umshaya
isolution yayo nkinto
Azulu think fighting is yini solution
yayo nkinto
so like lama fan wakho lapha ku TikTok bakubona as a violent person or bakubona as umuntu okret
yeah
bangibona nje ama-personalities maningi mfethu but ngiyawuseshapa ngiyawuseshapa
Thembisa ukushaba umuntu ukuthinta kancane kumele
solution
abantu bayaphapha abantu bayadelela
yeah
so khona abantu abangazi ukuthi kumele hlekwe kugcinwephi abange yini limits yawa yona leyo isingisi phela abangazi kumele kugcinwephi so kumele umtshengise ukuthi mfethu phela singadakelani yeah
so yeah let's now masikhulume manje le sesikhuluma ngale ndaba I've seen your content recently like you've been telling people prison stories ukuthi kunjani ejeli akukho mnandi
hayi bayahlabana lapha
yabo mayisifuna usitshele kahle wena wafikiswa yini lapha ejeli kahle
ngathi adapta ngijwayele abantu ngajwayele abantu abarong ngagcina sengithola sengihamba nabantu abarong abantu begangile vele bikwazi ukuthi bagangile so bese idila ngama-drugs lezi
bezidila ngama-drugs
yeah
ziyawathengisa
bese zothengisa yeah so obviously kwawukuthi angazi ubani wayepimpile kanjani satholakala sisonke lapho masitholakala sisonke lapho kwaba yibona ukuthi siyavalelwa vele but ngagcine ngiprove ke yini konje into le shona guilty yeah I not guilty ke manje ngiprove no skills sengihlatshiwe le phakathi mina
bakufake ungakabi guilty
ngiphume angazi lawyer whatever yini lawyer ubani umeli yeah kwagcina sekulokhu njana sibakhuluma lapha njengoba sengizokwazi ukuthi ngiphume
so hle isikhathi singakanani
ngama 7 months ngihlala ngesikhathi eside
isikhathi eside baba 7 months so much
isikhathi eside ngoba bayahlabana le otherwise
maka ungathi u-proud uya-enjoy
hayi nto unga-enjoy kuhlatshana tunusa nawe
and then wena
hayi bengashayani mina bengahlabani bengisabi ndoda
mali experience injani le
inkinga manje lapha kubuhlungu cause ngangena ngingazi ukuthi kwenzakalani vele phakathi ngathi mangifika laphana ngangena khona enye uncle lami beyi 26
yeah
mangifika la bangifake efisini nama 28
yeah
nama 28 vele kuyagena ukuthi yo ha zawushaya ukwayiliza baba so mangifika la vele ngifike kuzo kulezi ama 28 zangifikisa vele
yeah
because manje ngezwe ngenye seyingitshela ukuthi ngeziya ngithiba la first night ngikhetha ukuhlatshwa yiyo or ukuhlatshwa yonke umuntu lapha
yeah
ngiyatshela mfisa obvious ngininkani yami namakho umuntu uzongihlaba la niyasangana mina
yeah
ngiyatshela akho umuntu uzongihlaba la niyasangana kanti zathini ngathi yashaya ifleet mayishaya ifleet sezisukuma zonke lezi zuma ziready lezi dewe ubona ukuthi inkani kuyazibulala isihlala
zivukele
anti isihlala sivukele lezi uyayibona manje mazisukuma zuma seziready seziyazi vele zibonile ukuthi ejele before uzongena zibe sezazi lezi ukuthi kunomuntu onje ozayo namhlanje futhi mazovalelwa prison vele straight not the police station akusicala ubushwa police station hayi police station bangabakuhlaba police station week angene
abangabakuhlawe eselini
kusabe selini hayi masifika laphana usibasuke sebazi ukuthi uzibani especially uma ungene ngamacala serious ama drugs ama rape abuse nani lapho uzokuhlaba lapho angezikiyeke lezi. So masifika laphana ngafika vele zangihlaba sure zangahleki naningene nje zangihlaba
Oh,
tanga mara ikhali tanga le we point indoda sithiza
mara mase baklabile useseyindoda.
Singushaye phela na yini nginsizwa but angisesiyindoda ndo like insizwa insizwa lezi ngihlabile nje
sewuyini
but akusho ukuthi ngistabane lo bengi-enjoy bengino-enjoy here and there but
ayikho fani serious le
kubuhlungu ndoda because khona izinongulifaka dry ndoda and mayilifaka dry ayi phela khona lezi and wesiphathi niyakena ukuthi asilingani nje asingaba u-3 asilingani ama-size bethu khona
lezangale ezikhona ejele
abantu ukufaka bakumixe ivenda amashangane and uyazi abantu abayidingi impesu laba ndoda azikhathali azidingi impesu vele ngathi culture yazo vele ngizayithanda le phela isizo
bayizigafu how long
buya ngomshisa phela uyazi makayithole namhlanje sangahlala 6 months angayitholi so nawe umuntu ufuna ukuzinelisa into esiphatha shy pull out please itshela shy pull out itshela nokuzithola usuthi ndoda phela abantwana wenye indoda babalana so obvious lapha bengekho mnani so zangihlaba i-first lokho njani first week vele bezitshintshisana ngami iviki lonke because bekuhlatshwa mina bekuyimo sanda ngena and bengibhayisa vele bengangatholi le ankele lami zangihlaba mara zingconywana lezi mina ngisantshela namanje lezi bezilifaka lingekho dry sezikhafulelile yizi zingathi zinanjanyana
manje zilikhafulela phambi kwakho ubhekile
yizi ezingathi zinanjanyana
zimnandi
hayi ukuthi kumnandi kakhulu ndoda obvious yendi ugcina ujwayele ezinye izinto phethu nekhabishi ungagcina ulizwa ngathi limnandi uma ungalidli iviki lonke so le ideas bese ngithola njalo phethu so yeah
but I think like I affect sanga like anyhow like mentally like disturbanga
ngamanje kubuhlungu phethu ngingidistabile phethu nokungayithembi phela
kanjani
njengoba ngisho ukuthi besise kumnanjanyana nginokucabanga ukuthi mhlambe khona ubutabana obukhona la kimi
lobu like ubu-enjoyayo
imfisi phela bengi-enjoya kancane so ngiyazisola nami ukuthi mhlambe kungenzeka ngibe yisitabane but angicabanga ukuthi ngaze ngibe yisitabane but ngiyacabanga ukuthi kancane
so bowuzinikelile kahle
hayi bengazinikeli fethu kubuhlungu phela awunasho
buzogive up idala khona yeniyeza mayangilanda
hayi khona izinja lapho kuyafana wazincintsha zakushaya and zizokuhlaba sezihlaba azisadila phishaya runs no pull out uyabona lo so that should be
ngiyanyiwa la
that should be
but then like ezintwana let's say I find myself in prison for whatever certain reason which by I'm not the cause of it, maybe I've been framed or something ngizithola lapho, how do I deal naleyo situation mangikama across yona like
mara angisho ukuthi bazokuyeka bazokuhlaba
So there's no way to prevent it from happening.
But mawungafika ne-attitude yokuthini ubatshengisa wena awubasabi because indlela egcine ngisurvive ngayo bese ngibatshela iscrap
Bakusurvive kanjani sebaqedile?
hayi ukuthi ngisurvive phela bebangihlaba wonke lokhu njalo 7 months.
Yeah.
So ngigcine nami sengikwazi ukuyimela phezulu ngibatshela ngithi abathi niyahlangana namanje.
So bakuhlabe for how many months?
1 week ndoda mara baye bangithola futhi after lewa khona lewa 1 week abangihlaba kuya amalanga alandelana.
Yeah.
Zangikeleme phela mina ngiyazi ukuthi insipho mawuyibisile tshela uyidophi mfana. Wayibisa noma uyibisa ngemistake eshawela uyidophi.
Wenzani yiyeke iphele?
Hayi mfana ngazi mfana ukuthi wenzani mara mina ngiphinde ngidophe lathi. Phela abantu mangiqeda ngiyisa ngiyageza phela ngazi siyageza chaphu kahle. Tshela bakuwe insipho. Ngithi ngiyangezwa ngenye ndoda.
Yes, event.
Angazi babimnyama. Yayifaka. 1. Yezo nami angeke ukhale nje intombazana lapho. Shabu. Awu. La presile ndo.
Yeah.
Ngeke phela ube prefer ukuthi ukhale nje intombazana ngazi ukhale baze enjoy mfethu bese mfethu lapha etshela ngeke bahlale bangihlabi mfana.
Ayikho indlela yokuyistopa la le.
Ayikho indlela yokuyistopa unless ufika unless ufika ungena inombolo.
Yeah.
Inombolo same time phela. Yeah lapho mhlawumbe ngikuhlatsha but inombolo enakhona ngithi uyakhetha mfethu ukuthi ungena ngokubulala iphoyisa noma ungena ngokuhlatsha.
Yeah.
So wena bongakhetha
Ungena ngephoyisa.
kuyafana noma ungabulala iphoyisa ukubulala wakho not like iyaphela. Not like iyaphela lokho njani ngiyayibona ama lifetime nanani. Not like iyaphela mabulala iphoyisa awubaleki mfethu kumele uhlale kuleyo ndawo leyo ubulala khona iphoyisa. Fika amanye amaphoyisa azokushaya.
Yeah.
And ukushaya kwawo akumilanga uvule umlomo like ukhali wakhala cancelled kumele uqala phansi like kumele noma bakushaya ubekezeni umshabu.
Yeah.
And zashaya lezi yo haya zashaya mfana lapha kumnandanga. Yeah
Manje like as masingathi siyakhuluma ne-youth manje like sibatshelani ukuthi bangazitholi kule situation le.
Abaye ukuphanda ngobugebengu mfethu. Gebengu sharp usangapopo kwamanje uloku popo. Angeke nonke sibobani. Sonke sibe uscrew. Khona le screw for ubani, khona le outlay.
Screw, yeah.
Bengibukela webe role model yami yakhe. Angeke sonke sibe uwe like ubugebengu ukusenzela into egrand. Sharp bakhona ungabayenzela into egrand. Ende wena usangabhayiziseka mfethu.
Yeah.
Ubugebengu enye into okay. Ungapopa isikhashanyana but leyo nto leyo izokhetha apha nawe phambili.
Yeah.
Inozobanjwa amaphoyisa ungazitshelisa abasebenzi amaphoyisa. Mhlambe la i-police station eduzane uyazitshelisa azisebenzi leza la.
Yeah, most of the time we tell ourselves the cops are not working until bafuna
leza spana.
Wona khona leza spana leza.
Ila uzocaba khona ukuthi avele ziyaspaza.
Yeah. But let's talk about this because now economic status yethu la eMzansi iyabheda. Asina mali, siyazula. Shuthana nama video, sizama ukutrenda siboniwe. Sizama ukuba all over, sizama ukwenza imali because recently I've seen a video, pictures of a robbery that took place at Jimistin. Kind of money heist type of things like bathe badige underground labantu bashaya ama ATM lapha eJimistin. Bakhipha imali. Ekseni kuthiwe ibank mathe iyavula, ama safe wasebank imali ihambile. Think bese kuseli safe one. Yabo. Abasho ukuthi kuthathwe emalini mara like uyayibona la like ukuthi like it's possible ukuthi like ushayele crime until
Ibe clean.
Yeah, it's possible feels but ngiya manje ukuthi crime most of the time isiyenza singafuna ukuyenza crime C5.
Yeah.
And the C5 ikusolelwe one. Maphoyisa mabambelwe one uzosikhipha nathi.
It depends mara yeah.
Besides ukubanjwa kwamaphoyisa sibanjwe C5 senze crime C5. Unomngane sayidini. Uxoxela umngane wakho.
Yeah.
Umngane wakho mhlawumbe umngane akakufuna kanjani bese ugaqela kanjalo unganakho akupimpi sesibanjiwe kanjalo. So i-crime into engekho grand bafethu.
So when I want to say like what's a good way like ukuba a good criminal?
Good criminal.
Yeah.
Kika manje good criminal man ifuna umqondo. Igebengu ayibonakali. Bayeke laba babamba nenkunzi.
Yeah, igebengu is serious.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. How does one become one like so like ube igebengu?
Yeah, but like it's sort of like a thing of what a tutorial to become a mastermind criminal. You cannot get it anywhere. Maybe we told you
and then you must start small.
Hey.
Vele kumele uqale ngokubamba umuntu inkunzi straight.
Hey, kuzobona udama.
Uthi ujwayele nalespeed so ukuthi mangiyenza lento ngiyayenza.
Hey, because ukubamba umuntu inkunzi because you don't know what's going to happen. Awazi ukuthi lo muntu angareact kanjani. Yeah.
Who's watching that person? Yabo.
Man, inyawo ibambe abantu inkunzi. Abonyawo. Igebengu serious bethu. Ayekuyibone ngendlela ukuthi khona ubugebengu bobamba inkunzi. Lapho uzoshawa umphakathi uyenzani. Khona igebengu le ayinathima le serious angazi ukwenzelana ugebengu uzobamba inkunzi. Cabanga sozoboshela ubamba inkunzi. Ngapha mina babathi ngiyaphindela. Phela laphana bengingaboshelanga into ebengiyazi. Bengingayazi. Like benziwa amachita. Babangathi ngenza ubugebengu mina mhlawumbe ngenza into zokuscam abantu. Mina solution ngiyanscam amadoda.
Into ifuna.
Vele ngaskema abantu.
Yeah.
Ela nginskema ama 200 anganiskema imali serious nakhona ukuthi ngaskema abantu ngendlela ukuthi ngikwazi ukusurvive. Noma sengithi ngiyayiyeka lento because waqhubene ndiwandaningi izo zogcina ugaxela.
Yeah, maratana. Speaking of that, that's a young guy idea because like these days khona listen to this WhatsApp, listen to this what the sharing, what dot following this then ufaka imali yakho ma 200 niyayitabula ngokugela ama video na.
Those ones I see.
Yeah.
Stock but forex traders, bro.
Is that a crime?
Bro, forex trade, uyawazi ama forex trade.
Understand nezindaba lapha amaline amaningi.
Yeah, mara I'm talking about those guys.
Yeah.
They are scamming people like bavula ama mentorship.
Oh, what is sending imali then we'll show you
how to do this. We're gonna teach you how to do this.
Nami nginganenza kanjalo ngothola chance.
Uthini fundisa abantu ini?
Forex, abantu bathanda forex manje ngithi.
Yeah.
So obvious mafuna uskema abantu kumele ubheke abantu into abayithandayo. Abantu bathanda ama iPhone. Akuthengisile iPhone 15 mina manje kufike enye imobiseli. Iyo awuyilayita ayishayisa ngenokia bro. Bana futhi mina ngiyize kahle mina angiyize ngikunike. Babathi ngisolution ngiskema abantu. Mina wayifaka imali. Akhona ezofika kuwe mina. Ngiyija ngiyabona bayantuduza mhlambe uthenge i-iPhone bakule cellphone engasebenzi. Naye nithole next manje. Nakhohlwa.
Yeah, but setting an example to abantwana abancane ababukele la like what's a good way like approaching impilo without having to look at izinto ezibhedala lezi ukuthi kumele utshontshe kumele uskeme iba umuncondo professor
ukhasila mfethu ziningi indlela zokhasila ngithi siyekela angifuni ukuba yini konje le xenophobe or something but siyekela abantu bangaphandle bafethu bafike bazokwenza akekho umuntu omnyama ocabanga ukuvula i-tuck shop
salon
akekho umuntu omnyama ocabanga ukuthungela abantu icathulo le-stratini
yeah
akekho umuntu omnyama ocabanga ukwenzani futhi but ziningi lezi zinto ezenziwa ilabantu bangaphandle ezincane and ziyabafakela bona imali ziyawenza umehluko kanti ubugebengu ngaphandle ngenze lezo zinto lezo cause labantu laba basukele vele bazoyenza imali la le imali esingaziboni thina njengabo my friend
yabo my friend fit bayaskhawaza sho my friend that abashaya these lace bayazenzela icala phansi lace bayishaya ngepacket yonke.
But what like black people siyahluleka thina ukwenza
and thina sinama resources. It's not like ngikathele le ndaba ukuthi black people we don't have resources how come awuna resources mara uyakwazi ukungena ku parliament nge-connection? Which resources do you want? Because nayo resource yakho.
So nina kahle nithi for black people being poor is a choice.
Not necessarily for all of us.
Majority.
It's not even about being poor. It's just like surviving to the point. Because like kono munye ntanga uprefer ukuthi ayosipane KFC.
Yeah.
Mara une idea ukuthi name it. I have a business idea.
But that's the thing, bro. Like thina abantu abamnyama angazi man. black people have pride, bro. Like bane-integrity, like and into engihlala ngibuza like mostly hands, girls. I-pride yani ungenamali.
Labantu balala nama-Nigeria nto. Ngathi mangiphuma phela ngihawu mama ngala mantombazane ngathi mangiphuma ngahlangana neyami ubani Siphiwe. Siphiwe siyangisikela ukuthi okay la ngaphandle sekunje nakanje nakanje. Ngiyamangala hawu. Bosibethi balala nama-Nigeria ukuthi bazothola ama-iPhone.
But do you judge them?
Yeah, I do.
Why?
Because angisakhona ukudla lapha lezi zinento ezinkulu.
Besides
that, like, do you blame ukuthi a girl usuke eKasi uyahamba uyolala neNigeria for imali? Whereby makasekasi akakwazi ukwenza impilo yakhe imove like nothing.
Isikela ifeyili isikela isipana asitholi.
Ayekho umuntu ongena talent mfethu.
Yeah, mara angisho that's what we saying ukuthi sonke ngeke sibe ne platform.
What do you mean akekho umuntu ongana talent?
Ngaphandle kwaba nginazandla ke leinyawo. Mara mhlawumbe bayakwazi ukucula noma nginazandla neinyawo uyakwazi ukucula but ayekho umuntu ongena talent ayikho
into le
angayenza ukuthi mfakele imali. Uzokhitha ama Nigeria pho mfethu.
But there's too many average things people do. Bro.
Yeah, like maybe especially let's say idisk. Khona abantu abangaki badlala idisk ta.
Idisk inkinga manje sonke singama-artists sifuna ukuphumelela ngedisk. And idisk angeke siphumelelise sonke. Ngiyakwazi nami lokho.
So nayo uzathola ukuthi ikhona ezinye izinto bekazama mara bekacompete nabantu ababhetha la.
Yeah, but I feel like we are overlooking things. If sizothi there's no one ongana talent la. We basically saying everyone is good at something.
Yeah.
But that's impossible, bruh. Sometimes you are good at not being good.
Maybe you're good at something but you're not excellent at it.
Bruh, saying talent is meaning excellence.
Khona iy'kole mfethu manje ezikufundisa ukwenza into eningi. Khona iy'kole ezikufundisa ukudweba, khona iy'kole ezikufundisa okay. Sika abantu bangaphandle kube yibo abasakhela izindlu. Asikho isikole esokufundisa ukwakha.
Sikhona.
So ngizohlulwa yini?
Skill, man.
Yeah, skill is not. Yeah, my skill and talent sometimes they work hand in hand.
All I'm saying is skills meet you halfway.
Yeah.
Empilweni ukuthi like uzoya as much as being average with skills. With certain
50%.
Yeah.
50%. But with the talent, mawubantswembu.
Okay, wow. Wena ungitshela ukuthi intombazane isukela eNigeria laphana angeke ihlale ku-average izoba rich on.
Nah, all I'm saying is for umuntu azo-reacha le point yokuyenza leyo desperation, yeah. Ukuthi ngize ngifike kuleso stage sokuthi ngithi ku-right noma ngalala nobani angiphi imali.
And umuntu sometimes tangabutshela sometimes these days you can see with lento le bayenza vele with pride ukuthi ne I'm doing this and uyenza ukuthi ubani ongibhekile who's judging me anginandaba.
Doesn't matter.
Inkinga mfethu sharp angithi ama-person ayisawafani. Abanye abanandaba vele ukuthi ngizoyenza lento but abanye banendaba. Mina kahle la ngijaja umuntu waqala ukukhuluma no-my friend wayekhonsinini aka-my friend wayemsistisi lokhu njani intombazane enjani leyo.
For nje
obvious ayisusuka imali bayalala nabo-my friend laba
for imali.
Yeah. Into bangixoxele zona ngiphumetshele mfethu kuthiwa labantu sebalala ama-Nigeria abo-my friend yonke lento for imali. So amantombazane awasukuma sebenze anga-expect ukuthi yonke imali imele ize bafaneni.
Yeah.
Mele iphume bafaneni. Yeah.
Basebenze bayenzeni bathengisa amatamati.
Better. Than ukuba ne-body count ethengisa inko. Better.
No, but then this is an interesting conversation because now who are we to say and to judge? You can't do this.
You
rather do this.
This is right. This is wrong.
Sinas accepta moyenza lento lenje.
Yeah, who are we to say ukuthi CN Pucci wrong lento yenzayo ngokubhayisa umzimba mara he's one of the most prolific influencers la eMzansi. She's well known.
Kona abantwana bafuna ukufana naye.
Yeah, there are some kids who like I want to be like CN Pucci. I want to share my PPL have a nice body so that I can make money off it. I can be a DJ, drive a Range Rover. Like there are kids who look at our CN Pucci and be like, I wanna be like CN Pucci. And okay, like I say, Romin, uzkiel, umntwana or probably a teenager. You are thinking, how am I gonna do this? I'm not good at school.
And then mopega ikosi yakhe ukuthi afike lapha. it's not a pretty one. It's not a nice one. Mara, she did it anyway. So now,
like, what's stopping you from becoming one of those people, even if it means uqala kabi, like
Because umbali abo simpuche.
umbali?
Like a girl from a cast, umbali. Pila umbali ufalisa.
it's
possible. It's possible.
I asked them like an hour.
Yeah.
By meeting the right
This
person.
thing is like, who was CN Pucci before she's here now?
Now I'm sure hlala nomuntu ewanangakutshela ukuthi hayi ndoda lo muntu ngimthole lapha estradini. Mara after mina ngamhlanganisa namashita nje.
Phela, as much as we don't want to admit it, these are the type of influencers, like the role models abantwana ababhekele kubo like nowadays. Ukuthi like, I wanna be that type of person, that Instagram lifestyle. Yashayina kuhle, ama photoshoot, ama Dubai, ama iPhone 16.
King abantu bayaphapha.
Yeah.
Angisondi ne.
Yeah.
But iBhayibheli liyasho lithi yini konje ungathandi into kamakhelwane wakho. Ungabheki. Believe in yourself, mfethu.
Zithembe.
Do you, mfethu, konke you, whatever you.
But I feel like empilweni we reach a certain stage whereby it's all or nothing at that time.
You've tried everything.
You've got nothing to lose.
Yeah, you've tried everything and this is it. Into leyo ngayenza and lemel commit.
Like uthembile, you believed in yourself too far, which you've lost all the belief that you've had in yourself. And you've had faith on God for that longest time that you no longer have faith anymore.
Yazi mina ilokho njana ngijoba ngizokhala ngokuthi labantu bathengisela abantu abarong ilokho njana.
Yeah.
Impilo isiso. So let's say lo mntana sharp empilweni.
Yeah.
Awuthe sharp una everything. Awumind wena umonje. Then mawufika kuye ufika sebamoshile.
Yeah.
And I usafuna ukushada umuntu omoshiwe mfethu.
Yeah, true. That's the thing, really. Another thing. Gents don't like girls who have been like who've had. Well, girls don't like girls who do that. But now they're saying, it's fine for them.
Yeah, why is it double standards though?
Yeah.
Double standards Oguti. Abuchiri cannot have a certain type of body count.
Not even body type. Gents, most of them, it's like, I will never marry a girl who's not a virgin.
Amarleo Tanga said that's outdated. Tanga, what do you know?
Exactly.
But
it's not what you're looking at.
Yeah. Cause manje fethu ngathini then. Amana ngazi ngebiya kanjani but umuntu wasi virgin ngenze ukuthi sikazi manje yabo indoda abangaphi kwakho.
It starts small, man. It starts small and then imosha view yethu. Cause now into ngani ikala ay ama age mates work, ama age group work, they want older guys.
Yeah.
And then when now as a gent now you're going where to the younger ladies.
Yeah.
So you see what yenzakalana.
Angifuni ukukhulumela amantombazane but ngokuzwa kwami kuthiwa amantombazane ashesha mature.
Yeah, true.
Why are you saying that's true, bruh?
No, I'm saying that's what they say. It's true they say that. I'm not saying it's necessarily true, but I feel like at some stage empilweni vele feel like the girl I'm the same age with, she's more mature than me. Yazi mina ngibona kanjani. At a young age, girls mature faster than gents. But at an older age, when gents start maturing, the hands are decreasing now.
You pass.
Yeah. About in the last mature at that age now, so we out so when they understanding. Either the girls yourself. Exactly. So funaba.
Yeah.
Lo mncane omashwarayo uzomkhulisa the older one. Something.
Ngibheka ngizwe kuthiwa amantombazane aguga fast dancing. Like
the age, yeah.
Fast. Like physical.
Yeah,
aging
yeah. Faster than thina. So feso angeke uqhunyeliswe umuntu sayashwabene phela nje. And
that's why go for the younger ones.
Yeah.
You mara direct tanga wrong tanga. it creates confusion because like I want to girls be with people that are twice their age. And
hayi lo uyapha
Kimbali.
nopalisi
Awushayela example amagama wabocherry basekasi like ongathi ufila ungathi baba mbalo yazulu
hayi yekile kabusi mfana
yamazi buthi
nyamazi ngisho ne-export but yeah vese umbali nopalisa mina ngikhala
yeah, what are famous names?
So do you have exes with those names?
yeah vese
Umbali umbali
yo umbali mfana
Mbali.
yo hayi umbali mfana yo umbali yo bathi umbali wena ngivusela amanxeba wena ngicela ngikhumbuza into enzime bangenze zona etshele seningitshela ngombali manje
No, man, like angisho manje sicover izinto I'm thinking ukuthi asikakubuza ukuthi wena where do you stand kahle with the females?
With the females, what's happening? What's your status nabocherry empilweni?
abocherry bafisa niyazi amantombazana amnandi bafisa abocherry wa right hayi umuntu ongayisanda ntombazana
When you're a child,
yeah I'm dating
right now.
yeah
How long?
1 year 6 months
You see people who are committed.
What was it?
Date straight.
What was it?
They are counting.
Ukubuza huyu. Yeah, ngikhonjika yena manje ndabana ndaba yazo. Hayi vele singena ndaba nama anniversary matata.
Gent.
Dasingena thina ama-anniversary obviously yibo labantu laba kumele futhi mina ngenza i-pure maths esikoleni so angicalculate ama-date
Abantu ababethlith ba-calculate ama-date.
yeah man amantombazane but kumele ayenzele into lezi mina ngeke
Yeah, but when like how do you feel ukuthi like icherry kumele iziphathe kanjani like ejardini like icherry yakho ujola nayo 1 year 6 months angisho sasho thina as gents you don't count the time, we don't look at the time. What matters to us is how much we do basically.
Presence yakho sho.
Presence bro.
Ntsini wena tayi
Ngithumela
asiphathe kanjani ucherry ukuthi like ukwazi ukuhlala naye isikhathi eside kanje.
niyazi respect balekile mfethu intombazane emele respect
Yeah.
ngishadile or shadanga emele respect because into esikhule sibona zenziwa lezo makithi
Yeah.
respect afisa ungavilaphi intombazane uyayibona man ukuthi le show noma ngaba nabantwana nayo show ingabakhulisa ngabaphatha grand abantwana bami yeah
Kanjani.
So like when ufuna ukuthi akuhloniphe then ubone i-future na.
yeah mangabona future ine support face support ibaluleke kakhulu
Like noma ungaboshwa azazi ukuvakashela.
wena sengikhuluma itori zokuthi la uzothini mfethu mara yeza zongivakashele tshele sure
Yeah, that's a deep one.
That's support. No, that's real support. There are people who've been there for like 10 years.
Yeah, but so what's the next stage of your life? Like, what are you looking to go? Like, what are you looking forward to empilweni yakho manje?
Empilweni yami manje mfethu ngifuna obvious kumele ngilungise into zami ngiphile iqondile nje wonke umuntu mfethu ngifuna i-future grand angisafuni ukubuyela ejele mfethu
Yeah.
and ney'ncosi zami ngifuna zibe angazi ngizothini but zingenzi into ezobagaxisa babuyele ejele so obvious kumele ngihasile mfethu because ayisekho indawo engisazoqashwa kuzo uma sengibuyele ejele sengine-criminal record already so ngibheke ekutheni ngithole into ezongiphilisa manje
Yeah. Ayakuzwa nje. Masibambe 30 seconds nyana before sivale yabo.
igame
Yeah.
la bengiboshiwe mina yini okay
Basically game like must describe izinto wena kumele usho leyo nto si describe within 30 seconds.
okay
Sure. Obviously, yeah.
ubani uzobani
Night time. Come back. Describe mina kuqala.
Describe wena kuphela.
Okay. Shop feed. Into mayengekho nzima injani?
ilula
English.
Easy.
Yeah.
Oh, khona ama-sports, khona i-rugby, khona ibhola, khona nani?
Cricket.
Yeah, bese lento tournament edlaliwayo le yini?
Tournament.
Yeah, le edlaliwa ama-count ama-different.
Mfana. Iyaphela lento.
Is that the cricket World Cup?
Yaphela, yeah, I don't know.
Angitshela amehlo phezulu.
Amehlo phezulu. Hey bro.
Taka.
Nah.
Ngidlale nawe.
Singikayi 30 seconds yakho nawe baba. Yeah, pick a different card. Boy. Sure.
Tanga. Wenzani?
Yeah.
Wenzani?
Yaswima. Ifish.
Lapha phezulu. Aeroplane yenzani?
Yeah.
Aeroplane. Yeah, thank you. Yini le?
Ibox.
Lento le. Angisho iphepha bese khona nani?
Ne plastic.
Le.
Iphi ndoda?
Le.
Lethi seconds.
Eish.
Igame ndoda.
Okay, mina
Time's up. Boy. It's a spot. La.
Now uzazi lezini.
Kunzima.
tanga le khadi lami linzima tanga.
Oh, now it's I tell you what. This guy listen to the sport.
Angisho
Kuba ngathi ngithikile.
Hayi baba. Yini manje ndoda? Ukulala ngathi ushonile kanti awushonanga bese uvuka after.
Ulala ngathi dead.
Hayi.
310.
Ukulala manje
Faint.
ngesikhathi eside.
Faint.
Coma.
Iyaphela.
Sleepwalking.
Ulala ngathi ushonile.
Umnyango ongavulanga wenzani?
Uvalile.
Closed.
Closed.
Okay. Hayi mfana lezi.
It's ulala.
Oversleep.
Yenzama.
Oversleep. Utheni ukulala
Kuba ngathi awulalanga, kuba ngathi ushonile. Nah, let's close it off, bro. Yo. Tanga over here. So bashaying word of the day lapho baqeda ubachene ba subscribe sivale what.
Word of the day.
Yeah.
Iba uwe mfana. Nga copy istyle somunye umuntu iba uwe wenze okujabulisa wena. Cause if siphila isikhathini esinani man, nazi siphila isikhathini esinani noma kanjani but wonke umuntu abe uwe man, enze into ezojabulisa yena. Yeah guys, ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ni like, benzeni futhi.
Ka comment ne.
Ba comment, ba share.
Bajulisa umlayezo.
Yeah.
Na ku TikTok ngisikhona lokho njalo.
Yeah.
Na ku TikTok by follow yini ide infinity.
Yeah.
Yeah, ide infinity bafethu ngifollow nenze konke. Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. As you guys know, it's not just a podcast, it's a movie.
It's a movie.
Guys, hey.
Whoa.
Yeah, wait.